What's up guys, R3 here. Today I will be showing you how to install GBA for iOS. For iOS obviously. So, if you don't know what GBA for iOS is, it's basically an app where you can play Game Boy games. Right now I'm currently playing Pokemon. But yeah, there's all kinds of other games you could play. You could literally play any Game Boy game or Game Boy Color game. Or Game Boy Advance game, I should say. Alright, so first thing you gotta do is go to this website. Now, I will have it linked down in the description because it's not just what you see here. There's actually a little bit more to it. But yeah, now what you gotta do is you gotta press install. Obviously. Wait for it to load in for a second. If you have good internet, unlike me, then it's actually gonna work probably. Alright, so after you click that, you gotta click download free version. Then install. I'm just going to press cancel because I already got it. And then now, just follow the instructions and hit allow every time you can. Now eventually, you'll get this on your screen. Alright, so eventually you'll... Alright, so next, you'll have to go into settings. You obviously have it on your home screen, but if you notice, it just won't work. So you got to go into general. Scroll down, Profiles and Device Management. Click on the Enterprise app. Then you gotta click Trust. I don't have Trust because I already trusted these. And then it should work. Once you get in there, you'll have to go to the side. Just scroll a little bit and then press Use VIP. And then find where it says Search. Tap it and then go up to the search bar and search GBA. And then this app should pop up. Gotta press install. Make sure you go back into settings. Make sure in Profiles and Device Management you have the app added to it, or just trust the app. Then next you go in there. You might notice you don't have any games. Now that's gonna be a bit of a problem, because if you don't have any games, then you kind of just. Alright, so now, next you want to press search, and now you're in the search section. So this is how you're going to get a game. So type in the game you want. Say you want, I don't know, Batman GBA EOM. Of course you want to put ROM, but just don't pay attention to that I put on. And now look for one that has this Pac-Man logo and it says emular games, because those are the ones that work the best. So tap on the game that you want. Scroll down, press download now. And it says your download is starting in that many seconds. Just wait that many seconds. I mean, it's pretty simple. Then, now this will pop up. You press download. Then type in what you want it to be called. I'll just name it Batman. Save it. Then now you'll have a zip file. And then eventually it will not be zip. That means that it's just downloading. It might take a moment to download. But that progress bar, I don't know if it... depending on what version of GBA you have, because there's different versions that you can get. The scroll bar will be there or won't be there. But that's the only difference between them. So now you just wait for the scroll bar, or you'll probably not have a scroll bar because these are normally short games. Now next, you'll be able to click on it. Now there's, I'm going to show you a little bit of gameplay. I've actually never played this game before. This is just a random Batman game. So let's test my skills. Oh, and also, I didn't mention this, but you can put it in this mode, if that suits you better. So yeah. Oh. Alright, so next thing, you might be wondering how I have like that red Game Boy thing. So what you gotta do is you gotta type in GBA, type in say I want, well yeah, I have a search result right there. Now this time I'm gonna want a black one. So I just type in black. And now you should make sure that it has to be like that and then the color or design you might want. Then you could check out some images to see what it could look like. Click on this, then might be wondering this is just a big mess. Try clicking the first one, open binary file, open in GBA for iOS. And my game just crashed. Because I don't know why that happened, but anyways. So now that you've opened it in GBA for iOS, color palette only customizes the original Game Boy. But you want to do like a Game Boy Advance. So you click on that, click on Portrait, Add, okay. Next you go to, back to where you were, open in GBA for iOS again. Press done, and then press black. Then you can do the same one for this one, or whatever color you're doing. Now if I were to go back into Batman, you can see it's black on both modes. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I really just have fun. This is a really fun game.